So hi guys, this is a video on how to replace the windscreen wiper blades on a Volkswagen Golf. This is a Mk7 variety, but it's exactly the same for all the other ones. Well, this video is how to do it for $2, keeping your OEM, so your original equipment manufactured parts on the car, but doing it for $2 as opposed to getting your service technician to do it for $80. Okay, so first things first, we need to get the windscreen wiper blades in the easiest position to take them off. So I'll show you how to do that now. Okay, so what you want to do is you need to take your keys out of the ignition and then just press down on your windscreen wiper. Okay, and what you will see is your windscreen wiper blades now have been put in the position where they come straight to the top. So it's far easier to take them off. Okay, so it's pretty simple to take these wiper blades off. So I'll zoom in so you can see it a little bit clearer. So you can see here there's a little push point that you push down. So the key to doing this is you want to make sure that it's pushed at an angle. As you push at an angle, press the button down and they'll come straight out. Really simple. I'll push it back on again. So you can see if you push it down, but if you push it down and try and pull it straight out, it hits some point which stops you from pulling it out. So you got to pull it at an angle, push it and pull it out. Really simple. So here it is, taking it out. So as I say, so what we need to do is we need to take this end cap off. As I say, it's a bit fiddly to get off, but once you pull this end cap off, you can then replace the rubbers in it. So you can see there's some little indentations in here. You'll notice when you take yours off where it clips in, and this thing just runs over the top of it. So you got to push those things in really hard, and then and then pull it off. So what I find the easiest way is if you push it down, so bend it back. As you push it, they do come off. They do. It's not the easiest, but yeah, see, they do clip off. So you can see that's the little end cap. And there. And this is the rest of the rubber, which you can then pull the rubbers out. So I'll just do that. So you can take these rubbers. So it's usually easy if you actually take both ends off. You'll see all these things just completely pull apart. You take the ends off them, take them apart, and take the other end off. Yeah, that one came off well. And then you can completely take out the rubbers. Now these rubbers are not expensive at all. I'm not going to completely pull it out because it'll be easier for me to get the new one in whilst I still have this in. Alright, so you'll see guys, I got a pair, a new set of inserts for them. I got these from eBay. They were really cheap, ridiculously cheap. They were like, I think I paid around $2 for these. They come in a pair. So I will slot them in. And these are not an expensive part. These are just a consumable part, which makes it easier to, which means you don't have to replace the full part. So you just carefully slot them in. Slot the new one in. slot it in, and then I'm going to push the old one out. So push it into place. So there we go, there's the new one. So you can see there's, I've got two of them, so you can see these are the ones that I bought. This is the one that I bought off eBay, and this is the one that I've just taken out. You can see there, the one that I bought from eBay for $2 is pretty good actually. It looks like it's better than the original one that was in there. It looks like it's a lot better quality, and it was literally $2. So if you compare it side by side, these are 26-inch long, and if you actually look at it, it looks like it's a tiny bit too long. It's a tiny bit too long, so what I'll do is I'll just get some scissors and I'll chop down about 7 millimeters, 7 or 8 millimeters off the end of it. Just cut it off to make sure it's the perfect length, but that should be really simple. Okay, so I've got a pair of scissors. So as I say, so now I need to take about 7 or 8 millimeters off this because it's a tiny bit too long. So I'll just chop it down a little bit, and that looks about right. So simple, chop it down, easy as, and that's ready now to get all the bits back on, and clip it all back together again. Okay, so I'm just going to clip it all back together again. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward how you do it. Get all your pieces and push it back in, reassemble it, push them back in the slots, straightforward, and then we need to just get the end caps back on. It's pretty straightforward in relation to which sides are which. Make sure I've centralised the new wiper blades in there. You can see it's just clips back in. That side back on. Get the other side. And that just clips back in as well. So there you have it. So I've just replaced the wiper blades. Literally replaced them for $2, and these are better quality than what was originally on there, and it's so much better than paying $50, $60, $70, $80 to the Volkswagen garage for them to do such a simple job. And this is far more environmentally friendly. If you're just replacing the whole unit, there's nothing wrong with this. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. All it is just the wiper blades, the rubber insets. That's gone. Nothing's wrong with the rest of it. So just replacing these just because one part of it is gone is completely going over the top, and not what you should be doing if you're looking after the environment. Okay, I'll just clip it back on now. So guys, I'll just get it back in. As you can see, it's very straightforward. Guys, there we have it. So that's how to replace the wiper blades on a Golf for literally $2. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, if you thought it was useful, give me the thumbs up and like the video, and subscribe to my channel for the next time I put a useful video on there to help you save some money and figure out how to do it yourself. Thanks for watching, guys.